Hello guys, welcome to Dhethi Tech. My name is Steven. I'm from China. I make this robot. It's used the ARDUINO MAGE 2560 to control it and two ultrasonic sensor to monitor. This robot can find the way out from a room. When the front sensor finds the wall, it will stop, and when the left sensor finds the distance less than 20 centimeters, it will turn right, else it will turn left. Okay, friends, you can look the robot. When it find the wall is closer, it will turn left. When it's far away from the wall, it will turn right. Okay, friends, you can see when it's far away from the wall, it will turn right and right. When it's closer, it will turn left. Okay, when there was a wall, it can stop. Wait. My product is find the way out. There was a house with a lot of walls. My robot need to find the exit. My robot need to use two DC motors, two ultrasonic sensor, and a controller. DC motors make the robot move, and the sensor is used to detect the position in the front and the right walls. If there was a wall in front of the robot, it will be stopped and detect the right. If there was a wall in the right of the robot, it will turn left, else it will turn right. That's all. Thank you for your watching.